This is a very short 5-minute video demonstration of ProgrammExpress, a web-based portfolio program and project reporting solution, where our aim is to automate project reporting and replace labour-intensive processes with a quick-to-implement, simple and intuitive, cost-effective solution. So I'm going to give you a live demo by logging onto ProgrammExpress as an administrator. We can be an administrator, a write access user, or a read-only user. And this will take us to the home screen of ProgrammExpress, where we can see, if we expand our portfolio, we can see the projects that sit within programs that sit within the portfolio. This is purely demo project data and a demo structure. And it also shows the health of the data in terms of red, amber, green status by module, shown here as icons, better described through the update tabs as commentary, plan, resources, costs, benefits, impacts, risks, and logs. So from this screen, we can look at the health of the data, we can drill down, or can run reports that we've configured, or reports that have been shared with us by the central projects team or the PMO. Now, in terms of ProgrammExpress, it's all about simple data input and powerful program and portfolio reporting output. From a user experience of a project manager and data input, we'll show the example of a user that has a filtered view showing same home screen, just the projects that they're expected to edit or update, and just the modules within that project that they're expected to edit, update. In this case, commentary, plan, and risks. So the project manager will select their project, open up the commentary, make the changes, open up the plan, make the changes, open up the risks, make the changes, back to the home screen, and probably want to run a report that they've configured to show what the data looks like in a report. So we'll show a one-page summary report, and here we can see the project, the RAG, the milestone information, financial information, and the commentary threads that have been configured in this case. So a very simple UI for the user or the project manager. And if all project managers have done the same, then we can log back in as the administrator back into the home page. Again, we can open up projects. We can have a look at the data, and this time we might be drawn to the reds, and we can filter out the greens and the ambers. We can just see where we've got the problem areas within the projects. An example will be click on a project 1C within costs. Let's click in that area, and we'll see here that in terms of cost, the forecast exceeds the planned, is out of tolerance, and therefore shows a red status. Back into the home screen, and now the administrator will more than likely want to run some program or portfolio reports. And in this case, we'll open up the shared reports. We'll run a RAG status summary, which is a consolidated, aggregated summary report of all the projects that have been updated, and showing there the columns that have been configured for this RAG status report. Or we may want to run, again from the portfolio, a Gantt chart report, a view of every project sitting within the portfolio, because we've run at the portfolio level. So Gantt chart view, our tasks are themed by red, amber, green in terms of the health of those tasks. Or maybe another example would be resource usage summary. So the resources are aligned to the plan, so it produces an Excel-style report and shows all our resources, what projects they're working on, when they're working on them, the number of days within a period, in this case monthly, but it could be weekly, anybody that's out of tolerance, and a very quick and easy view of an Excel-style report showing the health of all our resources. That is a very quick view. In terms of the color palettes, we're using the ProgrammExpress default color palette, but we would configure the color palettes and logos of the client in question to make it look and feel as part of their brand identity. There are many other pieces of functionality within ProgrammExpress that can be used. And really that sort of concludes our live demo, where again we just re-emphasize our aim of automating project reporting, quick, simple and intuitive and cost-effective solution. And having seen that short video, obviously the call to action is to get in touch if you have a requirement and would like to. You can see the contact details there, and the call to action may be for us to develop that same short demo with your own brand identity so that you can share internally. Maybe we could arrange a webinar with fuller functionality, more of a 60 to 90 minute webinar, or arrange a face-to-face meeting, or just go straight to plan a pilot implementation. Thank you very much for watching the video.